Hello there! Have you ever found yourself wondering what it would be like if your marriage was exactly as you always dreamed? Spontaneous laughter, meaningful conversations, and that magical emotional connection? Unfortunately, for many women, reality looks very different. If you feel like your marriage has lost its spark, the connection with your partner isn't the same, and frustrations seem louder than love, you need to discover the ebook, From Frustrated Wife to Fulfilled Partner. This transformative guide was designed especially for women who want to bring back joy, harmony, and respect to their relationships. Click the link in the video description and find out how to turn your love life around. The truth is, no one gets married expecting it to become frustrating. But over time, the challenges of living together can leave scars, constant arguments, lack of communication, emotional distance, or even the feeling of being invisible. This ebook cuts right to the chase, addressing the root causes of these problems and showing you how to overcome them. It helps you identify harmful behaviors that, often without realizing it, are sabotaging your happiness. Moreover, the book provides practical tools you can apply daily to reverse these situations. Imagine breaking free from the cycle of fights and resentment and starting to experience a relationship where understanding and respect take center stage. More than solving problems, From Frustrated Wife to Fulfilled Partner fulfills deep desires. The greatest wish of any married woman is to feel valued, loved, and emotionally secure. This ebook is like a roadmap guiding you toward that goal. It doesn't offer empty promises, but rather concrete steps that genuinely work. You'll learn how to create an environment where your partner feels motivated to open up, how to rekindle romance, and how to build such a strong emotional bond that no adversity can shake it. No matter how long you've been married or how worn out the relationship feels, it's always possible to rebuild love. If you're tired of feeling alone in your own marriage, now is the time to act. Don't wait any longer, hoping things will fix themselves. Transforming your relationship is entirely up to you. With the ebook, From Frustrated Wife to Fulfilled Partner, you'll have a practical guide in your hands to change your life. Say goodbye to fights, frustration, and emotional loneliness. Say yes to a marriage where you feel happy and fulfilled. Click the link below, grab your copy now, and take the first step toward a brighter future.